Hello and welcome back to my channel USA Immigration and Visa. Today, we'll tackle one of the most challenging questions you might face during your F1 visa interview. What will you do if I reject your F1 visa? While this question may seem intimidating, it's an opportunity to showcase your resilience, determination, and planning skills. Stick around as we break down how to craft the perfect response step by step, and we'll also share sample answers to help you ace this question with confidence. Section 1. Understanding the question. First, let's understand why visa officers ask this question. The purpose isn't to suggest that your visa will be denied, it's to assess your reaction under pressure, commitment to your educational goals, ability to plan for unexpected challenges. So, stay calm and use this as an opportunity to shine. Section 2. Step-by-step guide to answer. Step 1. Stay calm and composed. When asked this question, don't panic. The visa officer is observing your demeanor as much as your words. Tip: maintain eye contact, take a deep breath, and organize your thoughts before answering. Example: that's a fair question. Let me share how I would approach that situation. This shows you're thoughtful and composed, even when faced with tough scenarios. Step 2. Highlight your determination. Use your answer to show that you're deeply committed to your education. A rejection might delay your plans, but it won't derail your goals. Example: a rejection would be disappointing, but it wouldn't deter me from pursuing my degree in business administration. My academic and professional goals remain my top priority. This conveys that you're determined and focused on your future. Step 3. Present your plan B. Having a backup plan shows you've thought ahead. This could include reapplying after addressing potential issues, considering universities in other countries. Example: if my application is denied, I would take the time to understand the reasons for the rejection and reapply with any necessary improvements. Alternatively, I've also researched universities in Canada and the UK offering similar programs, which I could consider as a backup. This demonstrates your organization and flexibility. Step 4. Respect the visa process. Finally, express your understanding of the visa process and respect for the consular officer's decision. Example: I respect the rigorous process for issuing F1 visas and understand that every decision is made with integrity. Regardless of the outcome, I will abide by the final decision and work towards my goals. This shows maturity and respect for the system. Section 3. Sample answers. Sample answer 1. If my visa is rejected, I would first seek to understand the reasons behind the decision. If I can address any issues, I would reapply because pursuing my education in the US is integral to my academic and professional aspirations. I respect the visa process and will follow all guidelines to improve my application. Why it works: this answer shows resilience, respect for the process, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Sample answer 2. A rejection would be disappointing, but I am deeply committed to my educational goals. I've also applied to universities in Canada and Australia as part of my contingency plan. While those are great options, studying in the US remains my top priority due to its world-class education system. Why it works: this emphasizes determination and careful planning while reaffirming your preference for the US. Sample answer 3. In the unlikely event of a rejection, would respect the consulate's decision and take steps to address any concerns in my application. If necessary, I would consider other avenues, such as applying to universities in other countries, but my first preference is to study in the US because of its advanced academic and research opportunities. Why it works: this strikes a balance between resilience, respect, and your dedication to studying in the US. Answering the question, what will you do if I reject your F1 visa, doesn't have to be stressful. By staying calm, showing your determination, presenting a solid backup plan, and respecting the visa process, you can leave a strong impression on the consular officer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to USA Immigration and Visa for more tips on navigating the US visa process. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and we'll cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your F1 visa interview.